Thanks for tuning in to The French Kiss Cook. Today we're going to make Sage Chicken Meatballs. Start by placing 1 pound of ground chicken into a large bowl. And to the chicken we'll add half a cup of grated parmesan cheese, half a cup of panko crumbs, 1 egg, and 5 cloves of crushed garlic. Into the bowl. And then we're going to chop about 2 tablespoons of sage. Lay them flat, one on top of each other, and then you can try to roll them up tightly. And then slicing thin slices of sage. Chop it up a little finer, and then into the bowl with everything else. Then for the seasoning, I'll add a teaspoon of onion powder, half a teaspoon of salt, and some freshly cracked pepper. Before I start mixing the meat mixture, I like to make sure that I have a bowl of water to dip my fingers in for when shaping the meatballs, and my baking tray lined with parchment paper. My oven is preheated to 350 Fahrenheit, so let's start shaping the meatballs. So I'm going to start by mixing all the ingredients for the meat mixture until well combined. And then right away I can start shaping the meatballs. So dipping my fingers in the water just to help the meat to not stick to my fingers. And then start shaping the meatballs. It should give me about 24 1-inch meatballs. Gently shape them in a round shape and then onto the prepared sheet pan. My meatballs are ready, so I can place them in the preheated oven and bake. After 16 minutes, my meatballs are at 160 degrees Fahrenheit, so we're ready to serve. I'm just gonna place some of the meatballs on top of this beautiful lemon-infused orzo, and then add some freshly grated parmesan on top, and you've got yourself a delectable meal. Thanks for watching. Find the full recipe at FrenchKissCook.com. Click on the icon to subscribe to our channel and on the video for more recipes.